How to fix mobile hotspot not working in Oppo Reno 14f. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, click on connection and sharing. Now click on personal hotspot. Now here you can turn on or off your personal hotspot. Here you can turn on your personal hotspot. After turn on your personal hotspot, then check your internet connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update your internet connection. After that, go back and scroll down and click on system and update. Now click on software update, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.